It's so hard to see the damage afterwards. And you know, the rain, that's at least some good
Yeah,
news.
it was really nice to get, a record-breaking rain even in that area yesterday. We just got some help from our monsoonal moisture. That typically impacts areas near Arizona and further down in the desert Southwest, but we actually saw some of that rain pushing into the Klamath Basin. So we saw about a quarter of an inch of rain out near Klamath Falls and over the Bootleg Fire, which is more rain than Portland has seen, as a matter of fact. But great to get that rain, some wetting rain over some of the lighter fuels. So through today, it'll burn more slowly. There's low to moderate burn activity expected. You can still see some of those showers that are working towards or up the I-5 corridor now. It has dried out in the Klamath Basin where the Bootleg Fire is, but there have been some rain showers out to the Roseburg area and near Eugene. So this will continue to roll up towards the north, likely tapering off before it hits Portland. We're not expecting rain today, but good to see some moisture out there. Any rain is welcome at this point in our summertime. Again, rain totals broke records yesterday near Klamath Falls at this station. So we saw 0.38 inches, breaking the old record of about a third of an inch. So good to see that. The west sides of the Bootleg Fire saw about a quarter of an inch, a little less on the east sides of the fire. It's over 400,000 acres in size, but again, it will start to bring a little bit of moisture plus that cloud coverage out there up to the relative humidity. So this is good to help suppress this fire, but we're back to dry conditions as we head into our week. So I do expect to see more growth of that fire again as we head towards the end of it. Here's our thunderstorm potential today. We did see some thunderstorms with lightning firing off yesterday. That threat is over a smaller area today, but with the heat, we'll see some of that monsoonal moisture, that upper level moisture again rolling in from the south. We may develop some thunderstorms that have lightning within them. Out in Portland, though, it's a beautiful morning. We're seeing blue skies out now, mid-60s to start, a very mild morning, similar to yesterday. Likely no need for a jacket out the door here. If you're hopping in your cars and heading into work, we'll see temperatures climbing towards the 70s by the late morning, lunchtime closer to the mid to upper 70s. So building heat quickly today. And yesterday we topped off in the upper 80s, so we're still sitting above normal. The good news is our normal highs at 84 is the peak of our heat for normal temperatures throughout the year. So moving into the start of August and beyond, we start to dip our normal temperatures back to the 80s, then the 70s as we head our way into September and beyond. We're still expecting some heat this week too. We'll see our ridge of high pressure building, temperatures climbing in the sunshine today to the low 90s. So we're going to bump up temperatures even more than yesterday. Come Thursday, we continue that trend, and right now Friday is looking like we could hit triple digits. So we'll still avoid a record heat, but we'll see prolonged hours throughout these afternoons in the 90s, then triple digits. So we will see a good chunk of our day within some very hot, excessive temperatures. So again, try to find some air conditioning. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Check on elderly and young children and babies, and don't leave any pets or young children in cars either with these temperatures in place here. In terms of our smoke from the Bootleg Fire, we'll still see some thicker smoke here right towards the lake counties as some of this winds or the wind direction again points that smoke more towards the northeast. But upper level winds may start to push some haze into Portland today. So we could notice a little more haze through the afternoon. It likely won't impact our air quality at the surface just because it's so high in the atmosphere, but you may notice some hazier filtered sunshine going into our afternoon. Quick look at the coast. You can see a little sucked in, a little misty and foggy to start, but we should start to burn off those clouds by the later morning and afternoon. We'll see partly sunny to mostly sunny skies for much of the coastline today, mid-70s even too, so we're heating up out there. In the valley, low 90s today. The gorge also in the low 90s, possibly some haze in central Oregon near the Bend, Madras area. In the Desert Plateau, we could see temperatures closer to the upper 70s with a chance for thunderstorms today with lightning. So here's your 7-day forecast. That excessive heat sets up by tomorrow, mid-90s to triple-digit temperatures come Friday. As we head towards the weekend, we do start to cool off back to the mid-80s on Sunday. But look at these overnight lows, too. Not much relief overnight. We'll stay in the upper 60s, possibly even 70s overnight, and not cooling by much. This is the type of night where you want to keep your AC on, your fans going, and it won't really help to open up the windows as we stay warm overnight. So we'll track this miniature heat wave that comes for us, but expect triple-digit temperatures possible on Friday. Carly.
It's a clear